Learn amazing new pro close-up magic now. Lost Miracles of Magic, Volume 1 by Darin Martineau. Includes 21 magic video tutorials and 6 bonus magic ebooks. Stars of Magic, ebook. Scarn on Card Tricks, ebook, includes 155 self-working card miracles. Modern Coin Magic by J.B. Bobo, ebook. Encyclopedia of Card Tricks by Jean Hugard, ebook. The Royal Road to Card Magic by Jean Hugard, ebook. Money Magic by Jean Hugard, ebook. Master Magician Darin Martineau is the protege of the world-class master magician Alan Ackerman. He has over 40 years in the art of magic. He is a best-selling author of over 100 magic books. First place award-winning magic in the IBM, International Brotherhood of Magicians. Learn exclusive new master magic now. He has a very extensive history and background of master magic because of growing up in Las Vegas and regularly attending Gary Darwin's Magic Club and regularly studying magic and performing pro magic with many of the greatest master magicians in the world, including Alan Ackerman, Lou Lancaster, Johnny Paul, Jimmy Grippo, Jerry Andrus, and many more. Darin Martineau is an award-winning magician. First place IBM, International Brotherhood of Magicians. First place award, Close-Up Magic Contest, Tom Ferrante's Magic Shop La Puente Quay, and many more awards. Testimonials. He constantly amazes me with his ingenuity and skill. He is friendly and has a humbleness about him. Darin loves to think magic. He loves the mental challenge of a problem, and he enjoys the glory of coming up with a good solution. Alan Ackerman, world-class card magician. Superb! Jean-Pierre Valerino, FISM champion. Click the link below now.